What's up, y'all? It's your girl T, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I take this old wig that a customer sent to me. It was a pre-made frontal wig, and y'all, she sent it for a revamp, but I'm not about to ventilate this right here. So I told her I'm not sure what I can do with the wig. Maybe I can replace the frontal. So I'm going to attempt to replace the frontal in this wig with a 13x4 frontal, a deep wave frontal, and we'll see if I'm able to save her wig, which I've never replaced a frontal or closure on a pre-made wig, but keep on watching and see if I get this right or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots and wash this out, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, so while the frontal is drying, I'm going to go ahead and take the frontal off of this pre-made wig. We're about to see if we can bring this wig back to life, y'all. I don't know, I'm a little nervous. So I'm gonna take the elastic band out first, using my thread. All right, we got our elastic band out. Ooh, child, it's frontal. All right, so I got my canvas blockhead because to get better control, I think it would be easier to just put it on the blockhead. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, cut this frontal out. Well, actually, you know what? Let me section it off. So I'm gonna move some of this hair. And remember, I'm only gonna try and cut the frontal part out, not necessarily the back. So this side is sectioned off, so I'm about to cut this out as close as I can. Ooh, I'm nervous. Oh yeah, I'm nervous, but I'm cutting it out. Look at there. All right, let's do this side. So we gotta section this hair, and I'm actually glad that I didn't like style this hair or anything, because we're still going through the construction process. All right, let's cut this side. Trying not to cut any of the extra hair in the back. Okay. All right, I have taken the front this closure out. Now what's crazy is the other frontal is not shaped like this, but we'll get to that. So let me go and get the other frontal. Okay, guys, so out with the old frontal and in with the new frontal, and hopefully this works out as I'm thinking it would. So I've already pre-cut the frontal to fit the client's measurements. I'm going to, first of all, let's go ahead and pin the sides down. Okay, that side was already pinned. I'm gonna pin a little bit better. And I'm gonna pin one in the back. I got a feeling I'm gonna need a lot of T-pins. All right, so I'm going to position this frontal in place. The T-pin. going to make sure as I'm pinning it that it's literally, it may have to overlap that back just a little bit, maybe. I don't know, y'all. We will see when I get ready to sew it. Pin this side. I mean, it looks like it might work. We're gonna find out. Alright. I'm just gonna put a pin here and on the other side. If this works, this will save people a lot of money on their pre-made wigs. So now, I'm just gonna take some thread and a needle. It was just like a frontal placement. Let's just see how it fits. That's the only thing. So remember, I'm about to go in and reinforce it right now. So I gotta keep it separate. This is what the inside looked like. Oh, I kind of went over it a little bit there, but either way, it's on there, right? Okay. Okay, so I reinforced it with the zigzag stitch. This is a frontal replacement on a pre-made wig. And now I'm going to style her and put her on. Oh, actually I need to add the elastic band. And I'm gonna style her and put her on. And I will be back to show you guys what the finished look is. If you haven't attempted something like this, I think that you should try, because when I put it on my head, it actually fit really, really well. And yeah, we're not gonna throw away those old pre-made wigs. We're gonna replace them just as we would any other wig. So if this video helped you guys, then please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you guys in another video. Also follow me on social media at Stylish Styles by T. And yeah, I'll see you in another video. Bye, y'all.
Broken.